Once upon a time, in a city not so far away, lived a superhero bat by the name of Batman. Every night, he'd soar through the darkened skies, fighting crime with his cape billowing high. But one evening, something seemed amiss. A strange noise made Batman's ears twitch. He flew to the source of the sound. A little boy crying, lost and alone, he found. "Hello there, little one," Batman said with a grin. "Don't be afraid, I'm here to help you win." The boy looked up with wide-open eyes, saw the superhero standing by his side. "I've lost my teddy bear," the boy cried. "He's gone, and I can't find him, oh my." Batman listened with a gentle nod, then promised he'd help find the bear, he said. They searched the city, night after night, looked in every alley and every streetlight. Batman used his detective skills, but the bear was nowhere, it seemed so still. One night, after many a search, Batman and the boy sat down on a curb. The boy sighed, feeling quite forlorn. "I think he's gone forever, I'm feeling torn." Batman looked at the boy with a kind smile. "Don't give up hope, I've got a little while." He flew back to the Batcave, deep and dark, and used his bat computer to do a spark. He searched the city, street by street, for any signs of the missing Teddy Beat. Finally, he found him, stuck in a tree. A sigh of relief for both Batman and he. Batman climbed the tree and saved the day, returned the bear to the boy, who cheered and swayed. The boy hugged his bear and smiled with glee. "Thank you, Batman, you're the best, you see." Batman flew off into the night, leaving the boy to sleep tight. He'd saved the day and helped the boy find his lost teddy bear and peace of mind. And so, the stories end, but remember this: even in darkness, you'll find what's missed. Believe in yourself, and always try. For heroes are made, one step at a time. Good night, little one, sleep tight and dream of adventures with Batman, like a dream.